Today I will show you ways to make stab better.
Listen to this. After
First take a piece of duct tape and do it like this for
Use pliers to cut the other two legs and remember to double check that the bottom of the stab is completely flat.
Because position exactly one protruding leg on the stab, as shown in the picture. These pins are designed by Cherry, which is responsible for damping the stab to protect the board, and that is also the reason why your stab feels soft when it hits the bottom. These are very important because it help the stab less rattle. You can do it like in the picture or go to YouTube and search for hole mod. After rough processing, the main part is lube the stab bars. You will lube the places I point just like in the picture. Again, you will use 3 or more layer of duct tape and do like in the picture.